Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to join these granny squares. In my previous tutorial, I made a video on how to make them, and today I'm going to show you how to join them together. There are many ways of joining granny squares. Today we're going to learn how to join them with a braid. For this we need crochet hook 3 millimeters and some yarn. So we begin with first making the braid around the first square, and then we join them as we go. So we'll begin with the first square. So you join your yarn to the first corner of your square, right here in the chain space before your popcorn stitch. Now after you finish joining it, you chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and work a single crochet in the next chain space. So you have a chain here. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next chain space, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next chain space, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next chain space, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next chain space, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next chain space, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next chain space. So you can go ahead and pause this video and finish your entire square and meet me back when you've done it. I finished working on the first square. Now we're going to join the next one to it. I have joined the white yarn in the corner of the square, and then we chain 2, 1, 2. Now we need to join the two corners together with a single crochet. So they should be facing up, and right in the corner stitch we go ahead and work one single crochet. Now once we've done that, you chain 1, and in the next chain space you work one single crochet. So we are going to join the chains together right up till here. Now after you joined the next one with a single crochet, that is this stitch, you chain 2, you go to your previous chain, the one that you completed. In the next chain space you work one single crochet. Chain 1. Now in this color you work one single crochet. Chain 2. In the next chain space, one single crochet. Make sure to not miss any chain spaces in between. Chain 1. In the next chain space, one single crochet. Chain 2. In the next one single crochet. Chain 1, next one single crochet, chain 2, in the next one single crochet, chain 1. In the next one, 1 single crochet, chain 2. In the next one, 1 single crochet, chain 1. In the next one, 1 single crochet, chain 2. Now we've reached the corner of the square. You work 1 single crochet, chain 1, and in this corner 1 single crochet. So we've joined the two squares together. This is how it will look. Now we need to continue working this square with the similar pattern that we've done here. So you've joined this corner. Now you need to chain 2 and you work in the next chain stitch. Chain 3, next chain stitch. I'm sorry, you need to make a chain 3 here, not chain 2. You've joined your stitch and then you work chain 3, so that's 1, 2 and 3, and you work a single crochet in the next space, chain 3, single crochet in the next space, chain 3, single crochet in the next space, chain 3, single crochet in the next space. So you continue working chain 3 and single crochet in all the stitches till you get right up till here. We finished joining our two squares together. Now we're going to go ahead and join the third one. I've already joined the white yarn to it. Now we chain 2 and join it to this corner right here with a single crochet. So you single crochet in your corner, and then you chain 1, and in the next chain space of your this color you work 1 single crochet, chain 2. In the next chain space of your previous color you work 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet in the next chain space, chain 2, 1 single crochet in the next chain space of your previous square, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. You're working in all your chain spaces, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. Make sure you do not miss out any chains, chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet. Now you are in your corner stitch right here. Now you chain 2, you work in the corner stitch of your square, that is this corner stitch of this square, because that is what we are joining it to. So right here you work 1 single crochet. So you join it to this square, the corner stitch of this color, because we're joining these two together. So after your single crochet you chain 1 and you go to the next chain space of your color right here. Now you start chaining 3. 1, 2, 3, and a single crochet in the next chain space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next chain space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next chain space, and in the similar manner you work chain 3 and single crochets in all the chains till you finish working your square, and then we go ahead and join the next one. I've completed joining the next squares and I've joined another one in a similar manner right up till I reach the corner, because it is the same stitch everywhere, only here you need to work a little different. So that is what I'll show you. I have made a single crochet in the corner stitch here. Now you just chain 1, not chain 2, and you work first in this corner 1 single crochet, then you work 1 single crochet in this corner and 1 single crochet in this corner. So you're working all the corners together. So you start with the first one, 1 single crochet in the first corner, then you work the next one, 1 single crochet in the next corner. Now you work the next one, 1 single crochet in your next corner, and then you directly join with 1 single crochet in this stitch. So that's the next chain stitch of the square that you are joining. So this is how it will look. So what you've done here is, once you reached the corner stitch of the square that you're joining, after you reach this stitch you chain 1, then you join with 1 single crochet in this corner, 1 single crochet in this corner, 1 single crochet in this corner, and then you work 1 single crochet in the next chain stitch of this square. Now after you've done that, it is the same pattern that we need to continue, that is chain 2, 1 single crochet in the next chain space, chain 1, 1 single crochet in the next chain space, chain 2, 1 single crochet in the next chain space, and that's about it. This is how you join your squares. It is just a combination of chain and single crochets. It just gets a little different when you reach your 4 squares together, because that's when you need to make your single crochets in all the corners, that is 1, 2 and 3. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel.